These were my dark predictions from July 2026, and in this video we're checking to see how many of these predictions came true. Now we do this every single month, so if you're new here or you recognize me from other parts of social media, make sure to follow. This is my new channel. We lost the other one, so click the button. This is part 2. We already did part 1, and we got 5 out of 7, I believe, so we're going to check this one, see how good we do. We got these from remote viewing. It's something you can learn how to do. I talk a little bit about it on my website, but mainly this is focused on crypto predictions, oil, silver, gold, and stock predictions, because those seem to be the most valuable thing that can actually benefit you the most. And anything uncensored will also be there. Moving on, we'll make this quick because I know you guys got things to do and important business meetings. And yes, before we go any further, I know you can already read that one. But before we do, yes, I look like Avatar because I broke my nose. I didn't get a nose job. This is not plastic surgery. If you can guess how I broke my nose in the comments, you'll win a free prediction. So if you want to do that, go ahead, feel free. Otherwise, have the joke, have the laugh about the Avatar thing, and let's move on. I'll be healed soon. First, Ebola cases rise and spread. This was absolutely true and correct. And I think we're at over 4,000 cases now. I've lost track of how many dead. I think maybe 2,000 by now. You'll have to double check that. So yes, that was true. Stock markets continue downward spiral. I know some things are still going up, but we specifically talked about the AI stocks and how that AI bubble would pop, and a lot of them are and have been falling dramatically, especially during July, so that is also correct. Something else we talk about on the website. This was huge, okay? So when I made this prediction, oil was about $67. After I made this, I set a new high. It ran to 93. And if you know anything about leveraged, trading, that's life-changing gains that you could have made on, for example, even a 10x. It's wild. But I said low confidence that it would hit a new high. So still with that, it could have been life-changing gains for you. It didn't hit the high, but man, did it have a surge, and coulda, shoulda, woulda. But that's what this is for. So I'm going to find a way to talk specifically about everything inside the website that's been benefiting people, because it's been quite a bit actually. And talk to any of the members, you'll find out. Or comment if you can. Talks of Bitcoin as a national currency. Now, I don't know if this happened or not. I haven't checked. Let me check. Okay, so I had a quick check. El Salvador, the only country in the world actually, apparently, that is using Bitcoin as a national reserve as well as the dollar. And they just accumulated over 7,700 more Bitcoin in July, further cementing it as their national currency. Maybe this will happen in more places. Maybe that's correct. Maybe it's not. Doesn't really matter. So far we had yes, half, and it's up to you. We'll come back to that. Next, government shuts down the internet. I should, let me check. What the fuck? Anyways, okay, I think it stopped. India, Pakistan, and Sudan, all 3 of them shut down their internet to curb the flow of information and to stop protests. So we're gonna count that one, and we need builders out there that are watching to find solutions. This shouldn't be a thing. You shouldn't be like, oh, the people are upset the way we're running the country. Let's just shut down the internet. Maybe that'll shut them up. Then they'll start worrying about basic necessities and stuff. You know what I mean? That should be a war crime. Hey, hold your hand up if you agree. Next, natural disaster in Mexico. This did happen as well. Hopefully everyone's okay. So there was a 7.1 earthquake in Mexico and a volcanic eruption. I'm more leaning towards it was probably the earthquake, but luckily everyone's okay. There wasn't that much damage. And what was the last one? Category 5 hurricane. Yes, this definitely happened. Let me quickly tell you the name. Yeah, so the last one there was Super Typhoon Bavi. 20 some odd people dead in the Philippines, RIP. And hopefully there's no more of these, okay? Email me if you want personal predictions or learn how I remote view, or sign up to the website if you want my valuable predictions about financials, investing, crypto, gold, silver, and a lot of other cool stuff inside there. My music, apps, and all sorts of fun stuff. So there you go. I made this as short and sweet as I can. So you guys never watch this video anyways. Every time I try to show you the correct predictions, everyone's, huh? What? Did he post that? I didn't see it. And then so many comments like, you never get it right. Well, I take it back. That's mainly TikTok. TikTok is still a bunch of sour puss, toxic doom scrollers, and you people on YouTube are amazing and awesome, and I love you guys so much, and I love you even more if you joined up here. There are free options too. I'm trying to expand everything available for everyone, so everyone has more than they thought they were gonna get, kind of thing, you know. Under promise, over deliver type thing, you know. That's how we do it. All right, so goodbye from the avatar. Hopefully my face will be normal next time you see me. That's part 2. There will be a part 3. We got August predictions coming out and some other stuff I'm working on. So sorry for the delay. What can I say? Peace, love.